So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to share your referral link with people here on the Fiverr mobile application. So in order to find your referral link, you have to go ahead here and open up Fiverr. If you're on the main screen, so on the home screen right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you might get this place right here. Share and get up to $100 off. Give friends a 10% discount up to $100 off their first Fiverr order. So if you were to go ahead and press on invite friends right here, it's going to open up the screen where you can then invite people using that link. Now, if you can't find it right here, it's not showing you right here for whatever reason, go to the bottom right, press the profile icon, go to where it says invite friends. Go ahead and select that, and it says share and get up to $100 off. It's the exact same thing. Go ahead, press invite friends right here, and then copy that link and send it to people in order to share your referral link. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to share your referral link on the Fiverr mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.